I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with a billing issue on the Lyft app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with the billing issue. Step 2. Access your ride history. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Ride History. This will show you all your recent rides and any charges associated with them. Step 3. Identify the charge. Look for the specific ride that has the billing issue. Tap on it to view the details, including the fare breakdown and any additional fees. Step 4. Report the issue. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for response. After submitting your issue, monitor your email for a response from Lyft support team. They typically respond within a few hours, but it can take longer depending on the issue. Remember, if you accidentally dispute a charge that was correct, it can complicate things further. Always double check the ride details before reporting. I hope this helps you resolve your billing issue quickly.